So I know we all are very excited to just have a feel, experience, to know all the detailings of a vehicle. I will not take much of your time and will just like to just go through a brief detailing slides, the B6 and the XUV9. B6 definitely is known for the unlimited performance, and the XUV9 EV we have just presented as limited. Just the B, just the enthusiasts, the guys, we are seeing they are the pure electric origin SUVs. Indian standards, the Indian platforms made only as the pure electric platform at the global standards. So this is known for the Inglo, which we are talking about. The few snapshots of the battery which we have shown, the battery. As far as the most critical question comes about the battery safety, artificial intelligence architecture. The ingrown, and we say this is the most powerful brain in the automotive world. Most powerful brain in the automotive world. The few highlights, the 130, you can see the 130 million, 51 trillion operations per second. So that fast is this our Maya, the ingrown, homegrown, established and developed by the Mahindra. Feature the AR HUD, reality, Vision X. Whenever you place in the driving position, you will be able to see the important things which comes on the DID. It also reflects on a windscreen so that you will get in connect with the important signals, important information which drivers would like to go for. One of the connecting and the loving features of this vehicle, the supersonic experience, the supersonic stereo Mahindra with the 16 speaker Harman Kardon with Dolby Atmos. It is a 1400 watt. You can say amazing. Once you will experience this music, you will be definitely go feel the out of the world kind of feature the music system it has. Style, it depends on the driving scenarios, and in all of the scenarios you are going to get the most of the best of the driving experience with the best of the range. You can use it for the taking selfie, and at the same time the drivers drowsiness alerts, all things your basis on your face expressions, your physical just get detected through the eyes, blinks and all, and it will enhance your features as far as your comfort and the security both. Where it is in parked, how about the inside and outside both reference. Initially we announced the pack 3, the top models, and this time now have announced all the packs, all the range prices, the top models, then the pack 1, the base model, pack 1 above, pack 2, pack 3 select, and the pack 3, the top model. And these are the colors in the 8 colors. You have the screen in front of you. This will be available in the B6. Already I think you would have get the
एक ऐसा मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो यहाँ की जन जन में इस तरह से रचा बसा है जैसे लगता है हर व्यक्ति इस ब्रांड से अपनापन महसूस करता है। प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, डीजल पेट्रोल के नाते जिस तरह से पॉल्यूशन हो रहा है, इसके अलावा हमारे देश में जिस तरह से फॉसिल फ्यूल्स की कमी है, तो उसकी भरपाई के लिए यह अनिवार्य है कि हम सभी लोग इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पे जाएं। तो इस फील्ड में महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा इतना खूबसूरत काम कर रहा है, तो मैं फिर से एक बार धन्यवाद देता हूं और आप लोगों को
All together everyone, want a big round of applause for this beautiful celebration. Come on everybody, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यहाँ पे. All together everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, the day of love and 14th of February से इस गाड़ी की बुकिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी and you can connect with the registration desk now. So ladies and gentlemen, we are all set. So let's do this, and now I would like to
friend of ours from the media.